applique or applique is one of my favorite techniques. And I just love using my Bernina machine and its blanket stitch. Not all machines do this, but the Bernina has a particularly good blanket stitch. The Janome often has a double blanket stitch, but either way, it's used in conjunction with fused applique, which is the modern way of having no raw edge, well, rather the raw edges are left, and we just fuse them with a fusing medium. And you can see, so the applique work comes on this, sashing. What you have to remember too is that you can't do a figure of 8. And in the book, Corey actually has very good instructions and some of the alternatives to doing the blanket stitch.